My name is Bond, James Bond, and this is the brand new Aston Martin DB10 specially made for this brand new Spectre movie. I saw this movie today, and this is Wicked Android, of course, as always for you guys. Tonight I have the pleasure and the honor to show you the latest, latest Kushan ROM based on, guess what? Brand new Android 6.0 Marshmallow. So let me get into the real part. So let's use Google Chrome launcher. So let me show you real quick. Android version 6.0 Kushan CM13 ROM version, and this ROM is running Kushan kernel based on Cyanogen mode build. Here you may see that this ROM will include in further releases the over-the-air update and some Kushan ROM statistics. Now, all of you guys ask me if Xposed module works on Android Marshmallow. So after I've done some researches, I found out that the answer was yes. So tonight I will not only show you how this ROM performs, talking about the design, the battery life, the performance and the smoothness, but I will of course show you how to install the Xposed framework. So first of all, you'll need the file, and I'll put a link right down in the description with the zip in order to flash the Xposed framework. And afterwards you'll have to get into About Phone and click the build number several times. I think it's about 5 times in order to get developer options here. And after you got it, make sure you click the advanced reboot so you can easily get into recovery. And that's what I will do it right now. So select recovery mode and then click OK, and right now it's booting into recovery. Okay, since it will take some time in order to boot into recovery, I will discuss some bugs that I found on this ROM, and they are especially CM13 bugs because they haven't fixed it. And the first one is that you can't change the network mode, so you can't switch back and forth between the LTE or the 2G or the 3G network mode. And right now it's booting into recovery. I'll get into the ROM, into the bugs. I'll talk about the bugs after I show you how to flash the Xposed framework. So after you put the file into either your SD card or internal or external SD card, all you have to do is to go here and choose Xposed V78 SDK 23 ARM, and then swipe to confirm flash. Okay, it won't take so much time. The reboot may take though a couple of minutes because it's rebuilding the framework, the cache and so on. Of course you will need the Xposed installer application, and I'll show you how to get that APK ASAP the ROM boots up. So I was talking about the bugs. Let me remember. So camera, I don't think it has been fixed, but I will test it ASAP. I'm trying to remember the latest bugs that I occurred on previous CM ROMs that I have tested, and I think I have a big lapsus. Oh, well, this phone is booting up. Oh yeah, I remembered. The thing that it charges up really slowly, and I think this is a CM13 bug because it's still unofficial for my i9505 device, Galaxy S4. Again, a noticed guide, please don't ask me if it is compatible with any other S4 variants. It is not. So it's only compatible with i9505 variant. I will show you what I meant to say about the charging slowly part. It is that message that appears on the lock screen while you connect after you connect your charger, and it says write down charging slowly. And I actually spent kind of maybe 15 to 20 minutes to charge up 4%, and that's nasty, guys. That's really fucked up, because I don't have that much time to wait in order to charge up a, I think it's 2600 milliamp battery. Yeah, it's really dumb. The developers have to work on this problem. To be honest, I think on the Android open source project based on CM13, I saw that the message was just charging, and I think it was charging faster. They may have implemented something, maybe fast charge in their kernel, but instead of that, I've tried and I installed kernel editor application on this ROM in order to find some fast charging options, but I couldn't find any, so I gave up. This is a major bug, and in my opinion won't make this device stable for daily usage. So fast charging these days is really important, because we live in the speed century, and yeah, it takes hell of a lot of time to charge even 10% of battery. It will take up to 40 minutes, so what the heck, I think. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. So while it is optimizing applications, I will discuss about how my review is going to be structured. The first part, I will be talking about the design and all the pros and the cons it comes with. Of course, I will get into the performance part. I will get some tweaking into the kernel editor app, and then we'll talk about the battery, if it lasts, because when I restarted the phone I had about 20 or 21%. I hope it will not discharge as I hope it will discharge as slowly as it charges up. Yeah, that's a really nasty joke. Yeah, James Bond in the back. Oops. Yep, James Bond in the background. Spectre movie, it was great. Thumbs up for him and for this beautiful Aston Martin DB10 variant. Did you know that it doesn't have any kind of boot in the front? So the thing, how am I supposed to open the engine? Yeah, it's really strange, but yeah, James Bond rocks. Okay, Daniel Craig. Come on, 83%, 83 apps of 99. Done apps. So I'm not talking this shit right now. You may say that, oh yeah, this wicked, of course he's talking shit, he's making long videos about you know, unhelping things, but I think that it's best for you to know every single situation you will occur, and every single step you need to make sure you follow in order to get this ROM working, and to actually make an impression about how it looks and how it moves. So optimizing apps, 99 of 99. It will be about to start. Vibrate again, brightness full right now. So starting apps, Android is starting. So yep, again I'll have to enter the pin code. Oops, the battery life is dying. The battery is dying. So let's take, okay, so battery low, 14% remaining. Let's make it real quick, guys. So I'll use the Google Now launcher as always, and now let's get into to see if Xposed installer worked. So we'll get Xposed installer, and I will search for, let's see, Xposed framework, and you'll get Xposed installer, first link, and then you'll have to download. I don't think this is the. Oh yeah, this is. I think this. What? Okay, so there's a bug. I think I will have to download Xposed installer for Lollipop. Okay, and Marshmallow. Okay, and it's right here. What the heck? Browser has stopped, so this is a major bug. Yeah, it's full of bugs right now. Let me get a new browser in order to download. Come on, I need a new browser in order to download something that's really nasty. Kushan, you'll have to fix this. So another bug. It's really nice to know these bugs because you will experience them. Sometimes 19% remaining. Damn. So let's make it fast. Accept and continue. So let's search for Xposed installer. Xposed installer for Lollipop and Marshmallow, of course. The first link. Deny. And click this one. Then we'll. Yes, I want to download the application. Right now, download completed. We'll install this, click settings, and then allow unknown sources. Yes, it may contain viruses. Yes, I know. Wow, where is it? Let's get into the downloads. Where are the downloads? Downloads here. Okay, so install, accept, and that's the biggest moment we've waited for. Yep, Xposed framework 78 is active. So that's how you install Xposed framework, and I'll get to the design part ASAP. You can, I don't know which of these modules are actually working on Marshmallow. You'll have to try it yourself or search the XDA. I don't have any time to show you. So the design part, let me dim this brightness a little bit just to save some battery. Design part, you have some gestures, options, some themes, CM themes, applications. You can customize the entire user interface, and the status bar, you have a little customization. Clock style, you can set a clock to center the left. You can customize your battery status style from, as you may see, you can set the icon to be landscape mode, or the circle. I really like this one. Show weather in the notification, like here. So rush off. Brightness control, show notification count, and so on. Okay. What else? The performance part. Told you that I downloaded the kernel editor app, and I suggest you to do that. And of course, how to get root. Actually, not how to get root working. So we'll have to again to make developer options working. And I think I will connect the charger just to make sure. So told you about that charging bug. So as you may see, it says charging slowly, and it charges hell of a lot of slow. It charges slowly, really slowly. Okay, so root access, you'll have to select to apps only in order to get root access. And of course, you'll get this icon here. You can get rid of it by installing super user application and disabling it. So we were talking about the kernel editor and the performance part. As you may see, you can tweak your CPU. You can switch back and forth between the CPU governor and other things. So by using it as stock as possible without any intervention in terms of kernel tweaking, it is moving as it should be. And as I told you, in previous CM13 Marshmallow, based on Marshmallow videos I made. Another bug that really upsets me the most is that, and it hasn't been fixed yet, is that you can change between the LTE, the 3G. As you may see, if I select 3G, it won't change. So that's another bug that makes it impossible to use it as a daily driver, at least for me. It will automatically change between LTE, 3G or 2G, but it's not the best idea. Or maybe, since I have full signal right now and I don't really always get full signal on LTE, it may have already automatically changed to 2G or 3G. Performance part, again, let me dial a number to show you how fast it. So 415 default, my carrier number, fast as hell as on any other CM build based ROMs. Okay, so I was talking about the design. Since it has the well-known simple customization things, I'll rate it maybe, let's say, 8 out of 10, because it's a CM ROM and things could be better in terms of customizability. So design part, 8 out of 10. Performance part, I will rate it 9 out of 10 because it lags sometimes. I don't know if it's because of the base, the cyanogen mode based, or the intervention that's been made by Kushan. Either way, hit him up in the comment section. It's Kushan02 on XDA. Make sure you click the thumbs up button for him, the thanks button on XDA. So let's talk about the camera, because it was also a bug. So let me take a picture of James Bond and let's see how it looks. Yep, camera has been fixed, guys, so no more cropping shit. It's really great to have camera back working, fully working. So speed and smoothness, you already saw this. Here we have, yep, it's not lagging, or it is from time to time. No, it's not. You can switch back and forth between the apps really fast. Okay, let me open up some apps. Messaging. Okay, this is how the message application looks like. Yep, it was some lag there. Yeah. So bugs. Camera has been fixed. Browser downloading bug. It may be because of the gaps I installed earlier. So open gaps. It may be. I don't really know. But you can, either way, you can install on our browser, so that's not a big nasty bug for you. The changing network mode isn't working. The slow charging part. There are a lot of bugs that will make this ROM unusable for daily usage, use. So instead of this, I can also mention the pros. It's fast and smooth. It's based on CM13, and it has some customizability part, and that's kind of it. And of course, benefits of this beautiful, take a look at this beautiful wallpaper, which will remain in your mind about after you flashed or changed the Kushan ROM. Latest version based on Marshmallow. It was a huge update. That's what he told me before I was about to make this review. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please make sure you thumbs up the button for me and for James Bond and the Spectre movie. Thank you for watching, guys. Wicked Android is out. Bye bye.